I bet you didn't know your kitchen holds the secret to stopping a stubborn cough. Stay tuned, all you need is honey and ginger. Yep, that's it. First, grab a chunk of fresh ginger. Peel it and grate about a tablespoon. Next, get a small pan and add 1 cup of water. Toss in the ginger and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now strain the ginger tea into a cup. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and stir well. Sip this soothing syrup slowly, letting the magic happen. Ginger calms inflammation and honey coats your throat. Say goodbye to that annoying cough. Remember, nature's got your back. Try this remedy next time and breathe easy. See you in the next one.